Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Brussels Motor Show taking a look at the European premiere, the new Suzuki Vitara. So this is the Suzuki's first battery electric vehicle, and as you can see we have the completely new look on the front, very robust styling. Look at those beautiful lights. I love the lighting signature, distinctive look, and then also very robust styling for the bumper, especially here in the lower section. Here is the front camera. The lights are connected with this gloss black section here, Suzuki badge in the middle. And now I will show you the car from this angle. 4 meters 27.5 centimeters is the length of the car. You can notice the very pronounced C-pillar, the door handle that is integrated into this upper section, and then large wheels 18 and 19 inch are available. Here we have the 19 inch ones. Let me show you this. So lovely dual tone with the gray and gloss black finish. Dimension of the tires 225/50 R19. Charging port is here. There we go. You can see the gloss black wing mirrors and the roof, and now also this door handle from close. Now let me show you the rear of the car. I think the styling is so good. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. So you see the lights, they're connected with this section here. Again, similar design language like on the front, which is very good. And the lower section again, very robust. So overall, I am a fan of the styling. Tell me in your comments, do you agree with me and how do you like it? Now we are ready to check out the trunk space. Press this to open it, and there we go. Here we have the square shape and also some additional room down there. And now it is time to check out the interior. And also one detail here, look how nice this is, the aerodynamic look, and also very pronounced roof spoiler. Stepping in, and here we are greeted with completely new interior with the 10.25 inch digital cockpit and the 10.1 inch screen, and they are nicely integrated into one unit. Here the door panel, gloss black details, the buttons for the windows and the mirrors, and the lock and unlock. The storage compartment here divided into two sections. Here are the seats, and now without further ado, let's jump on board. There we go. Starting with the wider angle, the two-spoke steering wheel, Suzuki badge here, digital cockpit, main touchscreen, and very robust styling here inside as well. So the steering wheel has got the physical buttons. Again, it's a two-spoke one. Then here you see the 10.25 inch digital cockpit. So actually when we open the door, you can see the cockpit itself. And then here is the 10.1 inch touchscreen. The air vents have a very cool styling. Physical knob here for the volume, as well as the physical buttons here for the AC, as you can see here, and for the temperature. So that is nice to see. Wireless charging pad. Here are the cup holders, and the gloss black part here, I'm not a huge fan of this because it will get scratches and fingerprints easily. Now in order to operate this, push and then go left or right. So this is how you would go to drive. You can change the driving modes by pressing this. And in the middle, let me show you the storage compartment. Really a lot of room in here as well. Speaking about storage, here is the glove compartment. All right, and now let me show you the sun visors. I have this maybe for a card if you are driving on the highway or entering a parking garage. And you can pull this cover as well. So this is how it looks, and now we are ready to check out the rear bench. Oh, and by the way, look at this. In the lower section below this central console, you have the 12-volt power supply, USB ports, and really a lot of storage room. 2.7 meter is the length of the wheelbase. And this is how it looks at the rear. Plenty of space, really, as you can clearly see just by looking at it. And now I will show you how that looks. All right, so there we go. A lot of room here for my knees. Here we have the USB ports and the storage compartment at the back of passenger's seat. Now let me show you the situation for my head. Alright, so this is how it looks. I'm 1.87 m and this is the situation, so just about right for me here. Now let's talk about the technical details of the car. Two battery options are available, 49 kWh battery and 61 kWh battery, and 3 power outputs. You can have the front wheel drive or the all wheel drive. So those are the options, and of course stay tuned for more details. So the car has just got its European premiere here in Brussels. So yeah, definitely a very interesting model. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like it? And now another walk around with the lights and indicators turned on. How cool are the indicators here on the front? Look at this. And of course I will show you how they look from the rear as well. There we go. Alright guys, that's it. European premiere of the new Suzuki Vitara. Tell me in the comments how do you like it. Do subscribe to the channel for more, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.